You can do anything you want to do. And if you want to do it badly enough, you will find the way. If you don't want it, you will make excuses. Nobody asked for life to deal us with these bullshit hands we're dealt. We gotta take these cards ourselves and flip them. Don't expect no help. You can either be the hero or the victim. And we talked about this on the podcast, WWED number 4. Okay, so go back and listen. Listen to the other podcasts in this series. Okay, so this is a very exciting series for me because it's just, I love Eminem's mentality. I love the fact that he's been through all these challenges and used them as his fuel. You can use your pain as your fuel, okay? So you can either have excuses or execution, okay? See, everybody can do things, and I'm living proof of that, and excuses are contagious, because if somebody says, I can't do this, I can't do that, they might as well be saying that you can't do it. Number one, they don't believe in you. So if they're saying they can't do it, they're saying that you can't do it. And these excuses and this victim mentality is contagious. They're infecting other people with the disease of disbelief. Okay? So if I take people's excuses, then guess what? I also have to take their results. And guess what? I don't want them. I don't want the results of anybody that I know of. Personally, no. I know a lot of people that are cool. I met some people, but we're not that close. And those are the kind of results that I'm getting at. Those are the kind of results that I'm looking for. Losers make excuses and winners make money. By the way, once again, you're listening to Rhythm for Revenue, and my name is Liberty V Justice, your host. I would love if you would do a 5-star review of our podcast in Apple. If you're listening to Apple right now, go ahead and click the 5 stars and write a few sentences about what you think about the podcast. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It would help us to make a bigger impact, income, and influence on people. So thank you so much. So here's the number one excuse that I hear from people is, oh, haters, there's too many haters. I don't want to post a video because there's too many haters. I don't want to post a song because you're too worried about what other people think, so you don't want to make your music. You don't want to perform live. You don't want to do live streams. You don't want to make videos. You don't want to do anything because you're so afraid of what losers think. Okay, but guess what? Like I said, if you're busy listening to them, then guess what? You're going to become a loser right with them. You're not executing. They're not executing. They're just executing their mouth and their fingers, typing these comments, and you're listening to them. So not only are you losing like them, but you're also robbing yourself and the world of all the gifts that you have that God gave you. So listen, everybody's worried about haters, but let me tell you something. Everybody's so worried about haters, but let me give you a little hint here. I don't worry about haters. I'm out hunting elephants. So I don't worry about squirrels. And just in case I wasn't clear, squirrels are haters, okay? They're little. They're insignificant. They don't matter. They're not going to contribute to you, to your business. They're not going to buy anything from you. They're never going to support you. They're never going to do anything. And anything that you do for them, make them a video, you're nice to them, whatever you do, they're not going to appreciate it. And you're going to feel even worse when you give them all that free airtime and they do nothing to really thank you for it. So don't worry about the haters. When you're out hunting elephants, you don't worry about squirrels, baby. We can take any situation in our life and use that to propel us to success. Okay? Nobody asked for life to deal us with these bullshit hands we're dealt. We got to take these cards ourselves and flip them. Don't expect no help. And as long as you're a victim, guess what? Number one, no one is going to help you ever. You need to help yourself. As long as you're a victim, you will never be successful. As long as you got that attitude, I can't do it. Oh, it's too hard. Oh, there's too many haters. Listen, there's only one person that you control in this world. That's you. There's one thing that you can control constantly, and that is you and your attitude and your actions. Okay? I want you to say this prayer with me right now. God, grant me the serenity to accept the people I cannot change, the courage to change the person I can, and the wisdom to know it's me. Okay? That's the only thing and the only person that you can control is you, your attitude, and your actions, and your words, and your lack of actions and your lack of words. Don't fling hate at people. Don't feel bad about them. Don't feel smaller because of them. These are some of the things just a few things you can't control. People, weather, the COVID-19 pandemic, the past, society's rules, the government. Okay? You cannot control anything. And like I said in the last podcast, if you are worried about what other people are doing and they're the problem, then guess what? The whole world is going to have to go to a psychiatrist. You're going to have to get the whole world to go, because there's always going to be people trying to hurt you, trying to bully you, trying to put you down, trying to stop you. Even if people are nice to you, that can stop you too, because you need to depend on yourself, not other people and their opinions. Okay? You can only control yourself. And as long as you are blaming everyone else, you are not blaming the one person who is in control, and that is you. If your dad is your problem, then guess what? You don't have a solution. If all these haters are your problem, you don't have a solution because you can't control them. As long as you know that you are the problem, your attitude towards the haters, you're not working, not doing anything towards your goals, you're making excuses, you are the cause of all your problems, but you are also the solution. Okay? So just remember, you're hunting elephants. So don't worry about squirrels. You're worth it. Thanks for listening. Once again, my name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and yours don't have to either, my friends. You are worth it. You can do anything you want to do. Thank you for listening to Rhythm for Revenue, and make sure that you give us a 5-star review in Apple and share this with a friend who needs this today. You're worth it.